Welcome. In today's video, you'll learn how to disable notification sounds for channels on the Telegram app for PC. If you're tired of constant pings every time a channel posts something new, don't worry. Turning off those sounds is quick and easy with the latest Telegram update. Let's get started. First, open the Telegram app on your computer. Once it's open, take a look at the top left corner of the screen. You'll see 3 horizontal lines. This is the main menu button. Click on it to open the sidebar menu. From the menu, select Settings. This is where you can manage all of Telegram's customization options to make the app suit your preferences. Inside Settings, click on Notifications and Sounds. This section controls everything related to how and when you receive alerts. Now, scroll down and find the Channels option. Channels are used to broadcast messages to large audiences, and by default, they send notification sounds for new posts, but you can easily mute that. Click on Channels to open its specific settings. Here, you'll see a toggle labeled Sound. It's usually turned on by default. To stop hearing the alert sound every time a channel updates, simply click that toggle to disable it. Once the sound option is turned off, Telegram will still show notifications for new channel posts, but they'll appear silently, keeping your workflow or relaxation time uninterrupted. And that's it. You've successfully disabled notification sounds for channels on Telegram for PC. No more unnecessary sound alerts, just peace and focus while you stay updated in silence.